For Victor and Karla Aguilar, Austin is a land of possibility. And this husband and wife real estate team have a deep passion to help others find their future in the city, too. They've been doing it for nearly 15 years now.
Azuri Group is a real estate company. We've been in business since 2015. We strive to help our clients find the best home possible. We also do some commercial as well.
We make sure that our clients feel like they're number one, our only client, and we love to wow our clients. We help them by educating them through the process, whether it's their first home or they've bought and sold before. We strive to wow them at whatever point they're in.
Since moving to the Austin area in 2007, Victor and Karla Aguilar have built one of the most successful real estate brands in the region. They put that success to work for clients every day.
Well, Azuri Group is the best in the industry because you get basically two agents. Their experience is paramount. Their local market knowledge is like no other. Victor and Karla are very down to earth. They treat everyone like close friends. Their passion is teaching, coaching, and mentoring. Them going the extra mile for their clients, for their employees, and for co-workers.
The reason why people turn to Azuri is because the background that we have. We've been everywhere from lending, a title experience, so we are very well-rounded. We haven't just done real estate since 2015. We've been in real estate since 2004. And I think that helps our clients feel at ease that we know what we're talking about.
Our work impacts our clients because this is where they're going to be spending a lot of time in their home. So it's something that we take pride in helping our clients through that journey. Working together is fun. You know, we enjoy each other's company, and I think I couldn't choose a better partner to be heading this company.
I think the best advice we could give to someone that's looking to buy here in Austin would be set your expectations that it is going to be a little tough right now, but that you are going to make the right decision by buying.
Make sure you choose the right agent. Make sure you have the right fit, because not all agents are created the same. As Karla mentioned earlier, we have a lot of experience in all gambits of the industry. So I think that's what really sets us apart. And so I think you really need to do your homework on who you choose as a real estate agent.
Austin has one of the most desirable housing markets in the country. But with that reality comes a challenge. How do you find a real estate professional who actually has your best interest at heart?
I don't see them as much as realtors as I see them as kind of almost guides. Like they really do watch how we react and what we're looking for.
I know Karla and Vic are the best agents that you'll work with because there is a personable connection with them. They'll make you feel as if you are the only client, even though they may have 400 people calling.
I think through this whole process, I really didn't have to think about a lot. They were anticipating what we needed. They understood what we were looking for. And it wasn't about money, knowing that if they satisfied our needs and helped us to get where we wanted to go, that in the end, money and finances and all that stuff's going to work itself out. And when you lead with that, it's really hard to go wrong.
Clients, when they leave the transaction, they leave with a dream property. They leave also with a 5-star experience, and they leave making a bunch of other new friends.
One of the things that keeps us motivated is the happy faces that we get to see, the joy that comes from home ownership.
We don't forget about our clients even after the closing. Don't be surprised if you're one of our clients and get a gift here and there from us, because we do keep you in mind.
We think Azuri Group is going to grow into other markets. We definitely want to bring our concept to other people and other agents.
Azuri Group does want to be all over Texas, and we do want to be all throughout the United States as well. So we have a big vision.
To find out more about Azuri Group, visit azurigroup.com and designingspaces.tv.